want to write an equation from the 2 points. So first off, I'm going to start with this one right here. I need this formula. Notice, I'm going to take my y values, which I'm going to start right here. I colored them up. This 5 is going to be that purple y2 minus -2. That's why I had this in parentheses here. And if I started with this 5, I have to start with this x. That's why the -2 is in front, minus -1. Now these are like pluses, right? That's 5 plus 2, which is 7. And that's like -2 plus 1, which is -1. So my slope is a -7. So to write the equation, I have to do this here. I'm going to go to this y equals mx plus b. I know the slope is -7, and I'm going to pick one of these points. See this x right here? That's my y, -2. I'm going to put that y right there. I'm going to put this -7 as the slope. It goes right there for the m. And I'll put that -1 right here for the x. I'm just plugging in the 3 numbers I know to find the 4th one. I can do that. It's pretty cool. -7 times -1 is 7. And now I'm going to minus 7 from each side. So if I minus 7, oh, that should be a 7. Error, error, error. Let me just do this here. Hopefully I have the right answer. It should be, here's the typo. That's a -7 right there. Everybody see that? It's a -7. Okay. They cancel out. So b equals -9. b equals -9. Caught my little mistake there. I'll fix it up here a little bit. All right. Now, so that would be my equation. I wrote the equation here, y equals -7x minus 9. So now I'm going to work the second problem here. Always hate it when my little thing like messes up here. Or you can go to the calculator. Right here, hit new. I'm going to go to add list and spreadsheets. All right. And so here we go. And I'm going to look like this. And now I'm going to arrow up and change that A to an X, the B to a Y, and then I'm going to put in my numbers. Those are all the numbers I had for this problem. The X value, the Y value for that first problem. All right. And now after I do that, I hit menu right here, menu, and then I'm going to hit stats, option 4, option 1, and then option 3. All right. So here we go. And when I hit that, then I have to change this to an X. Notice, and after a Y there, put an X and Y in the X and Y list, and just hit your OK button. And it tells me right here. Now I had to arrow down 1 to see all of this right here. My slope is -7, and my y-intercept is -9. And if you're doing a linear regression, I can see it's a negative regression, but it's a R is 1, R is -1. That would be a linear regression answer. That's what it shows, -7. The y-intercept is -9. All right. And there's my equation. Y equals -7x. Oh, it should be -9. I have another little typo right here on my thing here. I worked it wrong and didn't fix it. That's really -9. We can see it right here. We're going to have to fix these up here. I do a lot of copy and pasting and sometimes forget to change something. All right, so that is a -9. Okay. What are the procedures? On the new screen, option 4, add list of spreadsheets. Change A to X and B to Y. Enter your data. Menu. You do option 4, statistics. Option 1, stat collection. Then linear regression. There we go. Enter your X and Y and then enter. All right. And I'm going to do the same thing right here for this one here. I can do it this way here by subtracting the points, like the 9 minus the 7, the -1 minus. I had the 7 first, so 7 minus 9. And because I used the 7, the -1 minus 3 gives me 7 minus 9 is -2. It's like a +3. -1 minus -3 is like +3, which makes the slope of -1. -2 over 2 is -1. And then I can put them in here, like the -1 right here for the M. I'm using the Y. I'm using oh baby, I got a wrong number in here. So let's fix this up here. If I'm using, these should not be -1. I should actually be doing this right here. So let's fix this right here. Have this, I'm using this 9 here. Yeah, I am. I'm using this 9 and 3. Right here we go. I'm good. So that 9 I put right here, and that -3 I put right there. You get those answers. That's where I got those out. So I can fix this and say, woo, I thought I had a problem. I still did it right. Okay, that 9 goes there. -1 goes there. That -3 goes there. My slope. Negative 1 times 3 is 3, minus 3 from each side, and I get 6. Or, once again, you can use that calculator. New, add list and spreadsheets, change the A to an X, B to a Y, plug in the numbers. I entered the numbers. You can take the time to do that and pause the video if you need to. And then I have to arrow out of that. I'm going to hit my menu button, menu. Then I do option 4, option 1, option 3. Change that to an X. Change those to X and Y's. Hit OK. And I arrow down one, and I can see my slope is -1. The y-intercept is B. And this one you how to pause as a negative correlation of -1 also. You can see those numbers right there. Hopefully I have the answers pop up right this time. Yes, they do. All right, and that was how I could find those particular answers. What are the procedures? The new screen, option 4, change your A to X, B to Y, enter your data, menu, option 4, option 1, option 3, change it to X and Y, hit enter, and get the answer.